Now let's take a look at an integration question here. Integrate tangent square 2x with respect to x. Let me write down. How do we denote integration? We have this sign over here, and we have tangent square 2x with respect to x. We're going to do dx. Next, let us revise some of our differentiation results from trigonometry. We have differentiating sine, cos, and tangent. The result going to be cos, negative sine, and also secant square. So integration is the reverse. So if you integrate, you will get this. Okay? So which means we know how to integrate cos, we know how to integrate sine, we know how to integrate secant square. So we know how to integrate these three. Look at the question over there. You need to integrate tangent square where you didn't have the result, the direct result. So for this question over here, let's just remember that you can refer to formula page for trigonometry identity. So my first step over here, we're going to change tangent square 2x using the formula. I have shifted 1 to the left, so I'm going to change tangent square to secant square minus 1. So I'm going to write here, secant square. Of course, you need to follow this angle here, so it's going to be secant square 2x minus 1 dx. All right, let's look at this one here then. We have secant square 2x, which we know that if you differentiate tangent, you get secant square. So when you integrate secant square, you'll get back tangent. So I'm going to write my result over here. I'll have tangent. And remember, follow back the angle over here, 2x. And since I have coefficient of x here, I will need to divide by 2. Next one, integration of 1 is x. Okay, and because we do not have any limit here, remember to add the constant plus c at the back for this question over here. That's all for this question here.